All right, so let's now practice. So we are finding the greatest common factor of 21 and 49. So you're going to start off by clicking and finding the prime factorization of 21. And 49. Okay, then I'm going to make your branches. Branches for 21. My branches for 49. Okay, then I have to ask myself, what times what's going to give me 21? Besides 1 times 21. That's an easy one, and we don't want to use that one. So I'm thinking, if I don't know, I'm looking at my multiplication chart, and I know that 7 times 3 gives me 21. Okay? And then I have 49 I got to break. What times what gives me 49? Besides 1 times 49. 7 times 7. So I'm going to put 7 and 7. So now this is the tricky part. We have to be able to remember our prime numbers. That chart that's in our interactive notebook, you may want to pull that up. And I'm going to think to myself, or I'm going to go to my previous slide and look at my prime numbers. So I remember 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so go back to my slide. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Well, I see 7 and I see 3. So that means oops, I do not want that one. I am going to circle my 7s. I am going to circle my other 7. I am going to circle my 3. And I'm going to circle my other 7. Okay, so now my step 3 is to list my prime numbers. So my prime numbers are the circle numbers. So for 21, it's 3 times 7 because it's in order from least to greatest. 49 is 7 times 7. Okay, then I got to find my matching spots, what matches on the bottom and what matches on the top. Well, 7 and 7 match, so I'm going to drag my circle over. Anything else that matches? Nope. So I'm going to drag my bar up to cover the bottom row because I do not want anything on the bottom row to get me distracted. And then I'm going to look at the numbers that are circled on the top. Well, I only have a 7 circled. So find the GCF is 7 because there's no other numbers to multiply to 7. So 7 is my GCF.